This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious homemade vegetable soup. First, let's gather our ingredients. Choose a variety of fresh, colorful vegetables like carrots, celery, onions, and potatoes. Make sure to wash and chop everything into roughly 1-inch pieces so they cook evenly. Don't forget your favorite broth, whether it's vegetable or chicken, and any herbs or spices you love to add a personal touch. Now, let's build some amazing flavor. Start by heating about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your chopped onions, celery, and carrots, sautéing them for about 5 to 7 minutes until they soften and become fragrant. This step is crucial for developing a rich base. Then, pour in your broth and add the rest of your chopped vegetables, bringing it all to a gentle boil. Once your soup is boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it simmer. This is where the magic happens. Add your favorite seasonings now, like a teaspoon of salt, a half teaspoon of black pepper, and perhaps some dried thyme or bay leaves. Allow the soup to gently cook for about 20 to 30 minutes, or until all the vegetables are perfectly tender. Remember to taste and adjust the seasonings before serving. Your homemade vegetable soup is now ready to enjoy. Carefully ladle the warm, comforting soup into bowls. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with some fresh parsley, a sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese, or even a dollop of sour cream. This soup is perfect on its own or served with some crusty bread. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 4 days, making for easy future meals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.